I am going to take out my phone. Darn it, I can't believe my phone battery went out. I have nothing fun to do. What should I do to make my plane trip more fun? I got it. I am going to open the emergency exit door on the airplane, although there is no emergency.
Stop, right there.
Oh no! It's Joseph from SML.
That's right, classic Manbuddy. How dare you try to open the emergency exit door on the airplane? You know that doing something like that is illegal, and you can go to jail if you do that. That's it. When the plane lands down, I am getting the helicopters here, and then I will call your parents to ground you. So, you are in big trouble.
Later, when Classic Manbuddy got home.
Oh my god. Classic Manbuddy. How dare you try to open the emergency exit door on the airplane? You know that doing something like that is illegal by the law and you could have gone to jail because of what you did.
That's it. You are grounded until Patrick the amazing video creator 2K4 switches into his new look for the rest of August 2023. Go straight to bed now.
Ha 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 ha.